Hello everyone, today we are going to draw a watermelon and we'll color it accordingly. We'll draw his sunglasses and then color his sunglasses. We'll draw his body too. We'll draw a man, we'll draw a sun. We'll color his sunglasses, then we'll color its body as green and red. We'll draw the clouds. It's a sunny and cloudy day. Yes, moving forward, we'll draw heart structured eyes, and it is a sunglass. Then we'll draw the face of a girl. We'll draw her hairs, her head, and she's so beautiful. We are going to draw her clothes and color her head and her hairs. Moving forward, we'll use crayons, and we are going to tap the whole different colors, and then it's going to be a tree. Moving forward, we'll draw a father and daughter duo. They are sitting on a bench, so we'll draw accordingly. Make their head, then their clothes, their lower body. Okay, then we'll draw the bench on which they are sitting. Okay, then we'll draw the face of his daughter. We'll color their clothes. First of all, we'll color their hair, their hairs, and then we'll color their clothes. You can color according to your choice. Moving forward, we are going to draw another flower, and we are going to first of all draw its petals, and then we'll color it. We'll draw its stem, its leaves. You can use any color you want. We are using pink color because pink is our favorite.